Okay, question 5b, page 178. String is tied to a 4.4 kilogram block and a 120 gram bucket. 120 grams into kilograms is 0.12. Students add 20 gram washers one at a time, so 0.02, that's 20 grams in kilograms. One at a time to the bucket. Students are unaware that the coefficient of static friction for the block and the table is 0.42. What's the maximum force of static friction for the block? It's 18 newtons. That's with sig figs, but if we want to use that information, we're going to use the unrounded version, which is 18.1104. But the question B is what people want. How many washers can the students add to the bucket without moving the block? So, 4.4 the 4.4 kilogram block can withstand 18.1104 newtons of force. Anything more and it'll move. So we need to find out how many washers are in this to equal 18.1104. So we have 18.1104. This is force equals mass times acceleration. Mass times 9.8. So we're going to divide both sides by 9.8 to figure out what the mass of this bucket and washers is. So 18.1104 divided by 9.8 equals 1.848. 1.848 equals the mass. Now we need to get rid of the mass of the bucket. So 1.848 minus 0.12 is 8271. So 1.728. I feel like checking, yeah. So 1.728. This is how many washers are in this before it goes too far. Oops. 1.728 before it starts moving. 1.728 divided by 0.02 to find out how many washers are in there, divided by 0.02 equals 86.4. That means it can hold 86 and 0.4 of a washer, but because we're not cutting them into pieces, it can hold 86. 87 makes the block move. So 87 makes the block move. The answer to this question is 86. Hopefully that makes sense.